Hi, what's up my dudes and gals? Another day, another vlog. And today, I wanted to do a vlog today because we are going to Ihop. I have never ever tried Ihop in my life. So this is a first time. I'm gonna give my first impressions of it. I read some reviews that it's good. Not the highest quality. I mean, it's fast food. So let's see what's about Ihop place and what food they serve. So let's check the menu. Kits. They got waffles, of course, world famous pancakes, grapes.
Oh, this one is waffles with ano dito.
Yeah, the waffles. That's the signature dishes. This is old-fashioned syrup. Which syrup do you want, mommy? Old-fashioned,
Butter pecan,
blueberry, strawberry. So you're gonna mix them all.
Why will I mix one by one?
Ah. Hi, Nix. You look cute in your pink jacket. I have been waiting for this, mommy.
chicken and waffles?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think The spicy one? Spicy one?
Sure.
Yeah.
Nika, you look a little cross-eyed. Oh.
No.
Oh, fisherman platter. Nika, your food's here. That's good. Oh, wait a minute, aren't there supposed to be shrimp?
Should be there.
Yeah, it's beneath it. Quite a little sour from the ketchup I've tasted. I mean, it's homemade.
I don't need ice cream.
Oh, quite strong on the throat though. So, I gave Mika the fish. How does it taste? It's good? Oh, like the fish? Oh. Good. Time for the shrimp.
Not that much.
Oh, okay. But only the fish is good. Ooh, this is the spicy chicken with waffles. Take a picture, come on.
I also have some ketchup for you. Is there anything else I can get for you?
I think that's all.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. A hash brown, and this is an omelette. I'm gonna dig in mine. It's good with the ketchup. Oh, you got the real ketchup.
Wait. Just stay out. Let me just.
About ketchup? You liked it? You like it? Whoa. Oh wait. Oh, salsa. Whoops. No wonder it tastes a little like strong sour.
Kasi it's ano.
Wait. I think.
How am I gonna do this?
No, she's eating it. I saw her.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, yeah.
What is that? It's chicken with waffles.
Yeah. And that is the end of the vlog recording because I didn't do an outro on that day. So let's give a review about it. Alright, so the food review for Ihop, it was pretty decent. But I didn't quite like my dish because let's just say the chicken was too sweet for me and the waffles are starting to get soggy. But overall, the dish was decent of what I ordered. But next time I'll order something better. Overall, I give this food review a 7.5 out of 10. So anyways guys, that's the end of this video and I hope to stay tuned for more. And yes, I'm keeping consistent uploads, uploading twice in a week. So yay, I'm back. See you guys on the next vlog and gals, and see ya.